TikTok, banned by the Indian government. Twitter, banned by the Turkish government. Facebook, banned by the German government. Celebrities like Kanye, PewDiePie, Rihanna, and even Donald Trump weren't safe. But hey, when you post controversial content, you're bound to get in trouble. They had it coming, right? Well, think again. There are black hat services built around ruining someone's business. In fact, for just $60, someone upset with you can get your Instagram account permanently banned. You don't even have to have done anything wrong. You just need to accidentally get on the wrong side of someone who's petty and has a spare $60 in their pocket. It doesn't end there. There are countless cases of internet marketers losing their accounts when a flagged comment or review video is looked at by an overworked employee who's never heard of affiliate marketing and throws your hard-earned 1,000-subscriber account in the trash. And the cold hard fact of it is, nobody is safe, and anyone building a business whose main traffic source comes from social media is like the man who built his house on the sand, or like building your dream home on somebody else's block of land. What's the alternative? You are. For many social media influencers, building that safety net, a subscriber list outside of their existing social media audience, is complicated. To build a list, you need an enticing lead magnet, professionally designed funnel pages, a reliable emailing platform and autoresponder, as well as a sequence of emails written to engage, grow their audience across multiple networks, increase merchandise sales, and expand to other income streams, which you can now give them with SociEmpire. SociEmpire is the world's first and only influencer system that finds high-paying, at-risk clients, builds a unique solution for them, and is live and ready to hand over with just a few clicks. Just moments from now, your agency website can be live, capturing highly targeted leads and turning them into paying clients for you. You don't need to get on the phone, follow sales scripts, or do client outreach. There's no hard sell. You simply follow the 2-minute agency setup wizard, activate the inbuilt traffic systems, and the automation takes over, sending payments of $100, $500, or whatever prices you choose direct to your bank. This step-by-step training, software, and done-for-you system provides what they desperately want and need, paying you directly with a very relieved smile on their faces. To make this work for you, simply follow these 3 easy steps. Step 1. Activate the Influencer at-Risk system. Step 2. Get paid directly to your PayPal or bank account. Step 3. Use our 3-minute editing wizard to customize and deliver their funnel. Everything is customized to them and completely automated so they can finally put their fears to rest while putting money in your pocket. SociEmpire is a complete solution giving you done-for-you tools, fully hosted software, and step-by-step training to find paying clients and deliver custom-built lead magnet funnels in a snap. These funnels are perfectly created to suit every influencer's needs, with a funnel template to meet their individual goals, customized and loaded with emails ready in just a couple of minutes. Whether they want to capture emails in case their social network slams the ban hammer, use these emails to expand and dominate other social networks, sell more of their merchandise and products, get more engagement on their posts, encourage more viral growth, giving followers motivation to share, or expand to automate and grow other streams of income. With this SociEmpire system, you'll be able to give them what they want fast. Have a look below to see the complete system in action and then click the button to begin. But click it fast. Right now, SociEmpire is available for the lowest price you'll ever see. And while there are hundreds of thousands of influencers in our database ready to turn into profits, the faster you get started, the more of those you can claim as your own. So click the button to start building your SociEmpire today. I'll see you in the members area.